Hey everyone, meet the Woxcker L8 MAX, a fully pre-assembled 20W laser engraver and cutter designed for ultimate performance. This all-in-one machine reaches blazing speeds of 40,000 millimeters per minute while cutting deep into wood and acrylic. Enjoy complete peace of mind with advanced safety features like flame sensors and a fully enclosed design. The built-in high-definition camera gives you real-time previews for flawless batch positioning through popular software. Upgraded intelligent laser modules and automated air assist ensure clean, precise cuts on hundreds of materials. Unleash your creativity and elevate your projects with this ultimate engraving powerhouse today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.